Hello kids, look in this picture. Look in this picture. Now we are going to learn a little more about a certain parts of our body. Are you looking in this one picture now? Yes. Here, which part we are going to see? Yes, correct. See, it is our head. It is our head. Our head is rest on neck. Head is rest on our neck, and we have hair on our head. We have hair on our head, and the head is placed on neck. Means our head is rest on our neck. Our head move left, right, left, up, down, down, up. How it move? And it can, with the help of this one, neck. The neck help us to move our head. Understood now? Neck help us to move our head up, down, left, right. Okay. Now see, in this picture, our hands help us to write. We are, see, my hand help us to hold a pencil. See in this picture, this girl's hand help us to hold a pencil and she is writing. And our hands help us to do work, all type of work. Okay. Now see, stomach. Food from our mouth goes to where? Stomach. Food from our mouth goes to stomach. Here digestion become. Okay. From that digestion we get energy to do all activity. Why we need a food? We need a food to do all activities. We need food to get energy. Understood now kids? Okay. Now see, legs. Legs and feet help us to walking, kicking means playing ball, running, jumping, hopping, and to stand. Our legs help us to walk, run, jump, and stand. Now see, here question are. Name the following parts of your body with which you can run. What is the answer, kids? Just only we learned it. Parts of our body with which can we run. Legs. A part of your body with which you can move your head. See here, which part of our body help us to move our head? Neck. So right here, neck. Third one, a part of your body with which you can write. See, just told, I am told you know, hand. Okay. Now see second question. Mark and label the following parts of the body in the given picture below. Here given hair, neck, arm, shoulder, eye, ear, finger, leg, hand, mouth, knee, stomach. So we are going to label this one now. We'll start from hair. Right here, hair, neck. Next, arm. Shoulder. Eye. Ear. Fingers. Leg. Hand. Mouth. Knee. Stomach. Understood, kids? This time you label the all body parts, and if you want to again label, extra label foot, toes. Okay, this type elbow, ankle, label the extra parts also. Understood the kids how to label the body parts? Now next question, see question number 3. Rewrite the jumbled words in the correct form, then find these words in the grid. First rewrite this one words. TFEE means FEET means feet. Okay, now see this one, rewrite this one, it will become stomach, STOMACH. First watch carefully, then you write. Next, see, it is so easy is there. Which body parts name will come here? HAIR, hair. Now see this one, HEAD, 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 head. Okay, now see this one, mouth, MOUTH, mouth. Next, neck, NECK, neck. Back, BACK. This time you rearrange the words, jumbled words properly. To rearrange, you should learn the all body parts carefully. First of all, you should learn the body parts. All body parts you should learn. Then you will rearrange this one, rewrite this one all correctly. Understood, no kids? Without you knowing the any body part, how you write this one? Is it possible? No. So that first you learn the all body parts and their spellings too. Spellings are very important here. Now these words in grid will fill up. Feet, look here, FEET, feet. Stomach, see here, STOMACH, stomach. See stomach. hair. Look here, it is here. H-A-I-R. H-A-I-R. Now head. Find out where is head. H-E-A-D, head. Yes, is there. Okay. Now mouth. M-O-U-T-H, it is here. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Next, back. B-A-C-K. Understood, kids? This time you rearrange this one jumbled words. Then these words in the find in this grid. Okay? Understood, no, kids? Okay. See, kids, how to draw eyes. See, you should also draw this one. Will you try? Yes. Let me know how many eyes we have. We have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Okay. The eyes help us to see the world, the universe. The eyes help us to see. You will also draw now? Yeah. Try, kids. Just try. Okay? See. Kids, see here. What is this? What is I am drawing? Yes, it is a nose. What is this? It is a nose. We breathe, smell through our nose. So we should keep our nose clean. When you will take a bath now morning, you should keep clean your nose. Okay, now next see. See now, we will draw ears. What? Ears. We have 2 ears. Yes or no? Tell me, how many ears do you have? 2. Yes. We hear with our ears. The world is full of many wonderful sounds. So, we want to listen that one sound now. For that, we need ears. Ears help us to hear. Okay? Now next see. Okay. Now see, we will draw mouth. How to draw mouth? See here. See. Our mouth help us to talk and chew our food. Our mouth help us to talk and chew our food. In mouth, Show me, where is the teeth? Teeth? Yeah, that is the teeth. Where is tongue? That is the tongue. Lips? Yes. Upper lip, lower lip. This time you draw the mouth picture and label the parts. Understood, no kids? Okay. Now next see. See kids. Now we are going to draw hands. Let me know how many hands you have. Yes, we have 2 hands. Left hand and right hand. See how I am drawing the hand picture. I am not drawing the whole arm picture, just only hand. In this hand, I drawn here fingers, palm and wrist. Downside wrist is there. Palms downside, wrist is there. See, second hand it is the. Okay. You also draw this type. Try to draw the hand picture, not only hand. You try to draw the eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Okay? Will you try? Will you draw this one? See. Now, I will show you where is our wrist. See, downside here are wrist is there. Our hands down means where we tie the watch. Where we tie the watch, there our wrist is there. See, now first finger is our thumb. Yes, thumb. Next, forefinger. Middle finger, ring finger, and last one is little finger. That time you label the finger's name too. Now show me your palm. Yeah, that is your palm. Okay, when we have a live class, we will take this one practice. Okay, until you do practice to draw the body parts. Now next see legs. Our hand help us to do work. It may be writing, it may be doing any work. We are able to work with our hands, as our fingers and thumb can be bent. Understood, my kids? What is the use of our hands? We are doing all work by hands now? Yes. Okay. See kids, now we will draw legs. Let me know leg spelling. L-E-G-S. See how I am drawing leg. We have 2 legs. Left leg, right leg. How many legs we have? 2 legs. Okay. Now you touch your legs now. Are there 2 legs? Yes. What are the uses of legs? Let me know. And see this video, see on towards mobile also. See how I am drawing the leg. These are the toes. Don't say legs finger. It is called a toes. Understood? Okay, now show me toes. Where is your toes? Toes, they are toes. Okay, now show me feet. Feet. Yes, that is feet. Ankle. Ankle. Now heel. Show me your heel. Heel. Yeah, that is your heel. Understood? Okay, now tell me how legs help us. Legs help us to walk, run, jump, skip, overall play. Okay.